I was in the process of making my lower lip pink because I like the pink effect, and I ended up with a swollen big lips. Oh my god, guys, let me give you guys the gist of my lip blush experience. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comments. And moving forward, this is how my lip was initially. You see the dark patches, and I decided to make it pinker and even, and this is how I didn't even start to video on time, but this is my lip after the first pass. It's a lie, oh. I started the video in the beginning, and at first I cleaned my lip with wipes. I wiped it, then I picked my numbing cream to anesthetics to numb it. I applied numbing cream in a generous amount to my lips, so I put it there, put enough so that it's not going to pain me. You know, the procedure is like painful because I'm using needles. So after that, I wrapped it up with the film for like 15-20 minutes before I started with my I put my pink pigments in the machine. I'm using a 5p cartridge, and I put it in the machine, and I am trying to, and here I am doing the procedure just like microblading. I'm shading it. The first pass I moved, that was when I did the last video. After the first pass I cleaned it, then I went again because the numbing cream is still very much effective. So I went again on it. I'm stretching it out, so the pigment is going to get in every corner of the lips. It's beginning to swell, so after a while we'll just like rub it out. Swollen, so I'm just gonna put in secondary numbing cream tag 45 to reduce the inflammation. So swollen. After the procedure, I try to get enough pictures and videos as I can, with filter, without filter, from different angles, like just looking. I don't know why this video is shaking, but but this is how it looks after. This is how like close-up looks. Just looks like the first video in the beginning. Also, it looks like it. That's without filter. And this one, I don't even know why I even put filter, Snapchat filter in this. Then this is day 2. This is day 2. This is day 3. This is day 3 of, it's beginning to get dry and flaky, and I have to apply cream. This is day 4, and it's getting dark. It's getting darker and very flaky, and it's kind of like peeling. I don't know if you can see it here. It's kind of like peeling. This day 4. Then this is day 5. I went out, and it looks like I did makeup. I did not do any makeup. I just applied ointment on it and good to go. Then this is my experience after 1 month of lip glow. This is my experience after 1 month of lip blush. I don't know, did it neutralize or it did not neutralize? I don't even know. I thought everything was going to be pink, or maybe I need another session, because I'm not even understanding, or maybe it's still in the ghost face. How is this thing done? I don't even understand. After all the, I only did lower lip, so I don't know. Should I do another session of it, or I should just
carry my L and move on? Or what do you guys think about it? Anyway, yeah, that's my experience about lip blush. This is my own experience. What's the experience on lip blush, lip neutralization? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, kindly like, share, and comment. And check out my other videos, my vlogs, and other videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.